come close to him. I wasn't near him at all.
Why?
How would I kill myself?
I wasn't even close to him. I'm flying still.
Shit together.
Alan, just spawn as Broberg.
Land in Broberg, Kate.
Okay.
Right,
Like,
right.
yeah.
Look.
You'll probably get there before I do anyway.
Now we have to buy hunting knives again, Gage.
I killed both of
You're
you
gay.
there.
You're gay, Jim. You can all walk by me, right? I want this.
Chuck, don't
Don't
watch.
you dare come and land swipe me out or something.
I already know what he has to find. Watch this. Oh, what's that? Gage is swooping up. How very Gage of you. Wow. Wow.
Did you die? Gage,
How close did I come though? I'm
you
landing now.
killed him.
Are you kidding me? You're lying. Okay. Okay, I'm...
Just kill yourself.
Something's up with this game. Something's up with this game.
Just kill yourself. Do humanity a favor.
That's just bad at your shit, Gage.
I didn't mean to.
Twice.
Yeah, you did.
I know I didn't. I didn't mean
Yeah,
to.
you did.
I didn't. Okay. I didn't even come close to
You
him.
didn't meet you. You had the whole entire airspace and you went right for him.
Okay, well... I'm sorry.